am you, you are me, I am you, friend.
Hi guys, what is up? Welcome and welcome back. So it's your Jamaican friend here again once more with another spectacular Ren reaction. So on tonight's episode of Ren, we'll be reacting to Hiren. You guys are showing so much support when it comes on to Ren. So I want to keep up this momentum and to expound more on Ren, to know what Ren is like, to know his music lifestyle, to know everything about him, and to keep it mutual. So without further ado, people, let's hear what Ren is about to say in this song. Peace. Take a walk with me, I'll be right back. Guys, I'm absolutely ready for this. I can tell that this is gonna be so lit. Let's continue. In fact, I really do like Ren's guitar playing skills. It is just so perfect. So perfect.
Hi there, Ran, it's been a little while. Did you miss me? You thought you buried me, didn't you? Risky. Cause I always come back. Deep down you know that. Deep down you know I'm always in periphery. Ran, on you pleased to see me. It's been weeks since we spoke, bro, I know you need me. You're the sheep, I'm the shepherd, not your place to lead me. Not your place to be biting off the hand that feeds me.
Hi, Ren. I've been taking some time to be distant. I've been taking some time to be still. I've been taking some time to be by myself since my therapist told me I'm ill. And I've been making some progress lately, and I've learned some new coping skills. So I haven't really needed you much, man. I think we need to just step back and chill.
Ren, you sound more insane than I do. You think that those doctors are really there to guide you? Been through this a million times. Your civilian mind is so perfect, they're always being lied to. Okay.
Whoa. 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 Incredible story. I mean, like, a lot of people have similar story like Ren, but they have not told, right? And for Ren to come out and give us this story, it's really an inspiration, guys. Like, even I myself here is going through the same phase as Ren is in this moment.
Hey, take another pill, boy. Drown yourself in the sound of white noise. Follow this 10-step program, rejoice. All your problems will be gone. Fucking dumb boy.
Nah, mate, this time is different, man, trust me. I feel like things might be falling in place. And my music's been kinda doing bits too. Like I actually might do something great. And when I'm gone, maybe I'll be remembered for doing something special with myself. That's why I don't think that we should talk, man. Cause when you're with me, it never seems to help. You think that you...
Whoa. 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 Impressive. Impressive, Ren. Very impressive.
You can amputate me, I am you, you are me, you are I am we are one, split in two, that makes one, so you see. You gotta kill you if you wanna kill me. I'm not leftover dinner, I'm not scraps on the side. Oh, your music is thriving, delusional guy. Where's your top 10 hit? Where's your interview with Oprah? Where are your Grammys, Ren? Nowhere.
Yeah, but my music's not commercial like that. I never chase numbers, statistics or stats. I never write hooks for the radio, they never even play me, so why would I concern myself with that? But my music is really connecting, and the people who find it respect it. And for me that's enough, cause this life's been tough, so it gives me a purpose I can rest in. Man.
Whoa, guys, this is a lot for me. This is a lot to take in, because you are trying so hard to make your songs hit differently to people, and a lot of negative comments coming in on your side, telling all this, asking you all this, and everything is just like disbelief comment. They commented because they don't really believe in you, right? And it is so hard to cope with these comments, right? Because the artists do read people comment, and some of these comments are very heartbroken. And I understand what Ren is going through, because everyone, especially social media influencers, been through this, right? So Ren, perfect. Let's continue.
And you sound so pretentious. Ran, your music is so self-centered. No one wants to hear another song about how much you hate yourself. Trust me. You should be so lucky, having me inside you to guide you, remind you to manage expectations, provide you perspective. That thing you neglected, I get it. You wanna be a big deal, next Jimi Hendrix, forget it. Man, it's not like that. Man, it's just like that. I'm inside you, you twat. No, it's not, man, you're wrong. When I write, I belong. Let me break the fourth wall by acknowledging this song. Ren sits down, has a stroke of genius. He wants to write a song that was not done previous. A battle with the subconscious, Eminem did it. Played on guitar, Plan B did it. Man, you're not original, you criminal rip-off artist. The pinnacle of your success is stealing other people's material. Ren, mate, we've heard it all before. She sells seashells on the seashore. Fuck you, I don't need you, I don't need to hear this. Cause I'm fine by myself, I'm a genius. And I will be great, and I will make waves, and I'll shake up the whole world beneath us. That's right, speak your truth, your fucking god complex leaks out of you. It's refreshing to ask for you, say it instead of downplay it.
Music is all about the creative process, and if people can find something to relate to within that, then that's just a bonus.
Fuck.
Guys, I mean, like, if we are going through some things, right? And we listen music daily to bring us through what we're going through, right? And music like this bring us through, right? Because it is telling us what we're going through, so we can able to relate. We are relating to this song, right? Everything that Ren is saying in this song, it's actually true. Pure facts.
Fuck you, I'ma fucking kill you, Ren.
Well, fucking kill me then, let's fucking have you, Ren.
I'ma do it, watch me prove it. Who are you to doubt my music? Cause I call the shots, I choose if you die. Yeah, I call the shots and so I choose who survives. I'll tie you up in knots when I lock you inside. Newsflash. I was created at the dawn of creation. I am temptation. I am the snake in Eden. I am the reason for treason, beheading all kings. I am sin, with no rhyme or reason. Son of the morning, Lucifer, Antichrist, father of lies. Mustopheles, truth in a blender, deceitful pretender, the banished avenger, the righteous surrender. When standing in front of my solar eclipse, my name is stitched to your lips. So you see, I won't bow to the will of a mortal, feeble and normal. You wanna kill me? I'm eternal immortal. I live in every decision that catalyzes chaos, that causes division. I live inside death, the beginning of end. I am you, you are me, I am you, friend.
Guys, this song is so amazing. Ren, I gotta say, bro, first time I did a reaction to you was like extraordinary, and I wasn't even having a second thought to not do a next reaction to you, bro. I mean, like, you are so inspirational, your words are powerful, your songs are powerful, and also your songwriting skills are very powerful. Because I can feel this song that you're saying, I can feel everything, I can feel every word that is uttering out of your mouth, bro. I mean, like, you are one of the greatest songwriter out there. You are one of the greatest artists out there. It doesn't matter what people say, it doesn't matter what people do. Just keep on doing you. You are really important. And once people can gravitate to your song, to your lifestyle, bro, you are winning. You are absolutely winning. Right? People will hate. People will literally criticize. Because people hate what they cannot control. And if they can control you, they will love you, they will cherish you, they will have you up for this longest period of time. Right? But just because they cannot really get a hand on you, they will say your music is trash. They will say your song is whack. They will say you are whack. But remember this, bro. Never give up. The race is not for the swift, but who can endure it? Let's continue.
Hi, Ren. I've been taking some time to be distant. I've been taking some time to be still. I've been taking some time to be by myself, and I've spent half my life ill. But just as sure as the tide starts turning, just as sure as the night has dawned, just as sure as the rainfall soon runs dry when you stand in an eye of a storm. I was made to be tested and twisted. I was made to be broken and beat. I was made by his hand, it's all part of his plan that I stand on my own 2 feet. And you know me, my will is eternal. And you know me, you've met me before. Face to face with a beast, I will rise from the east and I'll settle on the ocean floor. And I go by many names also. Some people know me as hope. Some people know me as the voice that you hear when you loosen the noose on the rope.
This is so incredible. This is so incredible, guys. Bro, I gotta say, big up yourself, man. You are really doing amazingly.
And you know how I know that I'll prosper? Cause I stand here beside you today. I have stood in the flames that cremated my brain, and I didn't once flinch or shake. So care at the man I've become when I sing from the top of my lungs, that I won't retire, I'll stand in your fire, inspired that make to be strong. And when I am gone I will rise in the music that I left behind. Ferocious, persistent, immortal like you, we're a climate different side.
Bro, never give up. Never give up. Your music will be legend, right? When other people grown up, grow with you, grow on you, your music will leave an impact. Because this is very impactful while I'm listening. I'm all the way in Jamaica and I can feel this man's music pounding through my soul, right? Through my soul, right? This is exquisite. This is an exquisite song. This is an exquisite artist. This is well written, properly constructed, and Ren is doing phenomenally fine. Well done, bro. Well done. Bro, I do like this man's guitar skills, bro. I do like the way he does his thing. Very unique with it, bro. Very unique.
When I was 17 years old, I shouted out into an empty room, into a blank canvas, that I would defeat the forces of evil. And for the next 10 years of my life, I suffered the consequences, with autoimmunity, illness, and psychosis. As I got older, I realized there were no real winners and there were no real losers in psychological warfare. But there were victims and there were students. It wasn't David versus Goliath. It was a pendulum, eternally swaying from the dark to the light. And the more intensely that the light shone, the darker the shadow it cast. It was never really a battle for me to win. It was an eternal dance. And like a dance, the more rigid I became, the harder it got. The more I cursed my clumsy footsteps, the more I struggled. So I got older, and I learned to relax. And I learned to soften, and that dance got easier. It is this eternal dance that separates human beings from angels, from demons, from gods. And I must not forget, we must not forget, that we are human beings.
Ren, this is a tremendous story. This is a tremendous song. And I would like to say, I would like to put my word toward this. You are a great man. Keep up the good work. Never stops. Guys, thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? If you guys do like what I have to say, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like on the video, and stay tuned for more Ren reaction. And I'm open up for suggestions. If you guys do have any more suggestions that you guys want to suggest that I should react to Ren next, feel free to do so. I'll see you next time. Peace out. Walk good. Remember to pray and stay safe.